Hello guys, welcome to this channel. Alright, in today's video we are going to be solving the daily Cipher Morse code. Okay, so the word for today is signer and the first letter is X, so that's triple tap, 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 tap. And then the next one is I, tap, tap. The next one is G, hold, hold, tap. The next one is N, hold, tap. Then the next one is E, tap. And then the next one is arrow, tap, hold, tap. Congratulations guys, you just claimed your daily Cipher Morse code. Alright, so in case you are new to this channel or you're coming across this channel for the first time, please turn on the notification bell, subscribe to this channel, and always leave a like. The notification bell will help you get updated whenever we upload a new video. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye.